Hi everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I wanted to share another really awesome beauty find for you. I know a lot of you seem to be liking when I do these super quick, short and sweet videos sharing just one product that I am absolutely loving, so that's what we're gonna do today. This is the product I wanted to share with you today, and you've probably seen it at your drugstore a million times. This is an all-over body lotion, and it's by the brand Lactic, and it's an alpha hydroxy body lotion. Now, I have tried quite a few alpha hydroxy body lotions, and I've shared them on my channel. Most of them have glycolic acid in them, but something I've realized over the past year, I don't necessarily like glycolic acid for my skin as much as I like lactic acid, and that is what is in this product. It has ammonium lactate in it, which is a lactic acid. Glycolic acid works nice for my skin, but I feel like lactic acid, number one, it's a lot more gentle than glycolic acid, and I can use this every single day, but it just seems to exfoliate my skin so well, and it gives me such a ridiculously beautiful glow. A lot of you guys always ask me, why is your skin so glowy? What is this on your face? And it's not always necessarily a highlighter, because I post many videos and photos of my skin without anything on it at all. It is because I use lactic acid on my face. Now, I don't use this one on my face. This is for your body. So this has only 10 ingredients in it, and it doesn't have parabens, and it's fragrance free. So that is one thing I absolutely love about this. And it has 12% lactic acid. You can literally use this, well, for me, I can use this 2 times a day, and I think the directions say that you can use it 2 times a day. That's how gentle it is. So when I first started using it the first couple weeks, I thought, oh, this is nice. There's no fragrance, there's no burning, there's no itching. It's not really sticky. Sometimes if I put too much on, then I feel like it's a little sticky till it dries down. But once it dries down, it just leaves your skin feeling so baby soft and smooth. So after a couple weeks of using this, not only could I tell that my skin was really soft, but my husband will not stop touching me. You know, of course he's always hugging me and loving on me, but ever since I started using this, he is constantly feeling my legs and feeling all over my body. I'm just telling you right now, ladies, if you try this product and you get pregnant, don't blame me. Whatever is in this, it truly does make your skin completely feel like new skin, and it is so ridiculously soft and glowing. It literally looks like new skin, or as if you've had a facial like all over your body. That's how glowy and soft you will be. So this is the one that I've been using now for a while, and they have another one, I'll pop that one up, that's a little more intense, and it also has ceramides in that one. So I think I'm gonna try that one next. But I'm absolutely loving this. Like I said, you can pick it up at your drugstore. I bought this one off of Amazon before I came here to South America. And I've tried so many different alpha hydroxy body lotions, but this one to me blows all of them out of the water. This one's almost empty. I only have like another day's worth of it in here, but I really like too that it has a pump. But since it's almost gone, I don't know if I can get any out with the pump. Let's just see. It's a nice thick lotion, and it just rubs in really nicely. It's just beautifully moisturizing, but like I said, give it like a couple weeks of using it, and that's when you will really be amazed at the results. You know, the first couple weeks I used it, I thought, oh, this is nice and hydrating. My skin feels really soft, but I would say it was at probably the 2-week mark when I felt my skin and I thought, wow, this feels really good. I do put this on my feet too, but if you put this on your feet and then just put your socks on at night, by the time summer comes or sandal season comes, you're not gonna be freaking out needing to rush to go get a pedicure, because you've maintained your skin on your body and of course on your feet year round. So if you're tired of your dry, crusty winter skin and you're looking for a skincare product that is super low maintenance, you can just slap it on after the shower and go. This is a product that I think you might really enjoy. If you've tried this product before, leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, but you would like to be, just look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you get notified each and every time I do post a new video, when you click on the subscribe button, just make sure you click that little bell and tap all notifications. I usually post once a week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great day.